Hey, it's Angela here. Congratulations on making it through the first 10 days. Today, I've got something very special lined up for you. Our first capstone project. Today, we'll challenge you to apply everything you've learned so far into one big project. You're going to need to dig deep and apply all your Python skills for this capstone project. But by the end of the day, you'll have built an awesome blackjack game to enjoy. This is probably going to be one of the hardest things you'll build yet, but at the same time, the end result is also going to be the most fun. The final project you're going to be building is Blackjack. And if you head over to 247blackjack.com or search for any other free online blackjack game, you can hit play and you can click Deal for the dealer to give you some cards. The game is really simple. Essentially, you're trying to get as close to 21 as possible. And all of the cards which have a jack, a queen, or a king count as 10. So you're adding these two cards up. 5 plus 10 equals 15. And you're trying to figure out if you can risk getting another card. So I'm going to click hit, and I'm going to get one other card, but that takes me over 21. And so the dealer wins. So this is the game that we're trying to create. This is what your version of blackjack is going to look like. Now, the user interface is a little bit simpler, but it's just as fun to play with. So our first two cards are a 9 and a 10, and it also shows us one of the computer's cards. Now, I'm already on 19, 10 plus 9. I'm close to going over 21, so I'm going to type N and end the game right there. I end on 19, the computer ends on 18, and because 19 is greater than 18, that means I win. Have a go at playing the final game by going to blackjackfinal.apiary.repl.run, but once you're ready, head over to the next lesson so that we can actually build this game ourselves. For all of that and more, I'll see you on the next lesson. Have fun.